Learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the part 4 and the last exercise of this chapter because there was a request, there is exam tomorrow. So this is a very short exercise, so I thought let me upload it today itself. So I have already pasted this just directly the page over here because of short of time. So now let us go directly with the exercise, that is 11.4. So we have to see here that state true or false. So in the first one they said every diameter of a circle is also a chord. It's true. Now this is a circle. So always the diameter means this is the center of the circle and the diameter will always pass through the center of the circle. So there can be infinite number of these diameters here, but it should always pass through the center of the circle. And chord is, this is the center. It doesn't pass to the center of the circle. So the difference between the diameter and the chord is, means the diameter will pass to the center of the circle and the chord doesn't pass to the center of the circle. So here they said every diameter of a circle is also a chord, so it's true. And every chord of a circle is also a diameter. It's false because, as I said, that chord doesn't pass to the center. So this is a chord, it doesn't pass to the center of the circle. So this is false. The length of a diameter of a circle is twice the length of radius. Yes. Now this is the center of the circle. So this part is this is the radius. And here, if I draw it separately, this whole thing, this is the diameter. So this from here to here is a radius, and again from here to here means it is going to be the twice the length of a radius. So it is true. The circular region comprises interior of the circle and the circle itself. So this also is true. A segment is a region bounded by an arc and a chord. So here, see now I'll show you in this figure. So now this is this is a segment. So you can see they said it is bounded by an arc and a chord. So this is a chord, this is a chord. So AD is a chord and this is an arc. So it is bounded by a arc and a chord. So it is true. A minor arc lies in the major segment. So this is false. So observe this 11.3 and match the following. So here OA. So where is OA is here. So this you can see it is passing to this. This is the center and here. So this will be radius. So radius can be, this can be the radius. It can be this, anything can be the radius of the circle. Then this AB. What is AB here? This AB means here it is passing to the center, that is called the diameter. So this is called the diameter. O. So O is the center of the circle. So it is here. EOB. Now can you see here? EOB. So this is the sector. This part is called the sector of this circle. So EOB is a sector. AD. So this, as I said, this AD, this is a segment from here to here. This is a segment. And AC. Now here, can you see this AC? So this is the chord. So can you see the difference between this AD and this AC? So AD means a segment. Segment means there will be a fixed measurement. So you can see a point over here. So this measurement is a fixed. And this chord can be of any length. It can come from here to here. It can be of any length. So the difference between this, so don't get confused between the segment and a chord. Draw a circle and mark the following. So what we have to mark: the center, radius, diameter, sector, segment, arc, point in its interior and a point in its exterior. So this is the center. First we'll draw a circle. This is the center of the circle. From here to here, this is the radius. So I've drawn this separate for you to show this the diameter. So this is the center, and from here to here, this is the diameter of the circle. Now we want the segment. So from here to here, this is the segment. The AB is the segment. And now this diameter is done, and sector. So this is the sector. This part is the sector of this one. So then arc. So this is this from A to B. This is called this is the arc of the circle. Then the point in his interior. Point in his interior means here, anywhere we can draw one point anywhere here in the interior, and a point in the exterior means outside. You can draw any point anywhere outside the circle. So this is done. Observe figure 11.34 and name the following 3 radii. So this will be OA, OB, and this will be OP or PO. So these are the radius of this one. Then 2 chords. So this is the one chord and this is the other chord. Then the diameter. So this AB, this is the diameter, and points in the circular region. So these are the A, P, B, and O. So these are the points in the circular region. So I've written the answers over here. So this was a short exercise. So all the best for your exams. By this one I have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.